Before buying a drone for kids, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many look flashy and fun, but some just don't hold up in real-world usage. Let's dig deeper to find the best options that actually deliver. Product number 1:4DRC RC plane. First up is the 4DRC RC planes, priced at $34.99. This little aircraft caught my attention because of its fun features and solid design. If you want an easy-to-fly remote control plane that can perform tricks, this is worth a serious look. The 4DRC RC plane is designed for both kids and adults, making it super approachable. It features headless mode and 3-speed settings, so anyone can start flying right away. Plus, the built-in LED lights allow for evening flights, which kids absolutely love. And with a durable foam build, it can survive crashes and bumps, perfect for the inevitable learning curve of new pilots. It's sold as a bestseller, with over 5,000 units moved in the last month and a solid 4.1-star rating from 509 reviews. Here's why this matters. You want a toy that can handle the rough and tumble of kid play while still providing an exciting flying experience. Now, some users noted that it can take a bit to get the hang of the controls, especially for younger kids. Here's the thing though, with a bit of practice, most kids adapt quickly, and having a fun challenge can actually enhance their skill and confidence. This is perfect for you if you have younger kids looking to explore flying toys. Skip this one if you're looking for a drone with a camera or advanced tech features. It's all about flying fun here. Product number 2, DJI Mini 4K. Next on our list is the DJI Mini 4K, priced at $229. This drone immediately stood out because of its impressive camera capabilities and user-friendly design. If you want a high-quality drone that can capture stunning footage while being easy for beginners, this is definitely worth checking out. At just under 249 grams, this drone doesn't require FAA registration, which is a huge plus for parents looking to skip the extra paperwork. It boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, cinematic shots. You can fly for up to 31 minutes on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to capture family events or outdoor adventures. It even has intelligent flight modes that make it easy for new users to get great shots without needing to be a pro. With over 3,800 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's a trusted option for many. However, some users have reported issues with the app not being available on certain platforms. But honestly, if you're committed to capturing great aerial footage, the initial setup will be worth it, and DJI's customer service usually helps resolve such hiccups quickly. This drone is perfect for parents who want to introduce their children to photography and videography. Skip it if you're looking for something strictly for fun flying without the camera aspect, as this one is more focused on capturing beautiful moments. Product number 3, Loily 2K HD Drone. Coming in at $39.99 is the Loily 2K HD drone, which is a fantastic budget option. What caught my eye here is that it offers a decent camera and a bunch of user-friendly features. If you want a reliable drone that won't break the bank, this one's definitely worth a look. With a 2K HD camera, you could get stunning aerial shots without the hefty price tag. The altitude hold and one-key takeoff make it super easy for beginners. It's also lightweight, which means no FAA registration is required, and it folds up to fit in your pocket, making it a great travel companion. With 2,400 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clearly resonating with many users for its performance and ease of use. Here's why this matters. Kids need something that's fun and easy to handle, and this drone delivers on both fronts. That said, some users did mention that the battery life could be a bit longer. But honestly, at this price point, the 26 minutes you get with 2 batteries is quite impressive for a beginner drone. You might just need to manage expectations and charge between flights. This is perfect for kids who want to play around and capture fun moments. Skip it if you're after professional level footage, because while it does the job for fun, it isn't going to compete with higher-end models. Product number 4, Hisaki Q9S Drone. Next is the Hisaki Q9S drone, retailing at $39.98. I was drawn to its fun LED lights and safety features, making it a top pick for younger kids. If you want a colorful, safe drone for your children, this one is worth considering. This drone is designed specifically for kids, featuring bright neon lights that create a spectacular display in the sky. It has sturdy propeller guards to ensure safety during flight, so parents can relax while kids are flying. The altitude hold and headless mode make it easy for new pilots to control, and with 2 batteries included, you get double the flight time for more fun. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 6,200 reviews, it's clearly earned a place in many homes. Here's why this matters. Safety and fun are key for kids, and this drone strikes that balance perfectly. Some parents have pointed out that the controls might be a bit sensitive for very young kids. However, I would argue that with parental supervision and some practice, kids can easily adjust and learn how to fly it well, turning that initial challenge into a rewarding experience. This is perfect for families looking to introduce kids to flying toys without the stress of complex controls. Skip it if you want a serious drone for advanced flying. This one is built for fun and safety. Product number 5, Relital 1080p drone. Finally, we have the Relital drone, priced at $39.95. This one piqued my interest because of its combination of fun features and decent camera quality. If you want a reliable drone for both kids and adults that's easy to use, this might be a good fit. The 1080p camera is great for capturing memories, and the foldable design makes it super portable. With 2 batteries, you can enjoy up to 25 minutes of flying, which is enough to have some fun without constant recharges. The emergency stop and child lock features ensure safety, which is a big deal for parents. It's got a 4.4-star rating from around 1,700 reviews, so it's clearly making waves. Here's why this matters. Versatility and safety are essential for a family-friendly drone. However, some users did mention that the app control could be a bit tricky. But honestly, if you're starting out, the remote control is very easy to figure out, and most kids will likely prefer that over app controls anyway. This is perfect for kids and beginner adults looking for a fun flying experience that's manageable. Skip it if you prefer complex features and professional-grade footage, as this drone is more about casual fun. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 great drones for kids. The fun and simple 4DRC plane, the high-quality DJI Mini 4K, the budget-friendly Loyally 2K HD drone, the colorful Hasaki Q9S, and the versatile Relital 1080p drone. Each one has its strengths, but they all bring something special to the table for young flyers. Choose the one that fits your kids' needs and watch them soar.